வாழ்க வையகம், வாழ்க வையகம், வாழ்க வளமுடன். உலக சமுதாய சேவா சங்கம் கர்நாடக மண்டலத்தின் சார்பாக இன்றைய ஆத்ம சங்கம நிகழ்ச்சியில் இணைந்த மெய்யன்பர்கள் அனைவரையும் அன்புடன் வரவேற்கின்றோம். இன்றைய நற்சிந்தனையில் நாம் சிந்திக்க இருப்பது பயம், ஃபியர். இந்த தலைப்பிலே நம்முடைய உரையாற்ற அருள்நிதி ஸ்கை துணை பேராசிரியை திருமதி ரக்ஷிதா ஆர் கினி அவர்கள் பெங்களூரு மைசூர் பிருந்தாவன் ஸ்கை அறக்கட்டளைக்கு உட்பட்ட கினி கிண்டர் கார்டன் தவ மையத்திலிருந்து நம்முடைய இணைந்துள்ளார்கள். அம்மா அவர்கள் பேச்சுலர் ஆஃப் ஆர்ட்ஸில் பட்டம் பெற்றிருக்கிறார்கள். கிண்டர் கார்டன் பள்ளியில் முதல்வராகவும் ஆசிரியராகவும் பணிபுரிந்து வருகிறார்கள். அம்மா அவர்கள் 2003ஆம் ஆண்டிலிருந்து உலக சமுதாய சேவா சங்கத்தோடு தன்னை இணைத்துக் கொண்டு சுமார் 6 ஆண்டுகளாக தொண்டாற்றி வருகிறார்கள். நமது ஸ்மார்ட்டில் துணை பேராசிரியராகவும் தொண்டாற்றி வருகிறார்கள். அம்மா அவர்களை உங்கள் அனைவரின் சார்பாகவும் கர்நாடக மாநிலத்தில் உள்ள அனைத்து உலக சமுதாய சேவா சங்கங்களின் சார்பாகவும் தனது நற்சிந்தனையை நம்முடைய உரையாற்ற அன்புடன் அழைக்கின்றேன். Now, on behalf of today's participants, I am inviting Sky Assistant Professor Mrs. Rakshita R. Kinney to deliver her valuable speech about topic fear. Be blessed by the divine.
Thank you, sir. Good afternoon, all of you. Be blessed by the divine. I want to thank Almighty, our Maharishi, and organizers for giving me the wonderful opportunity today to be with you all. Today we are going to discuss about the important subject, fear. Fear. What is fear? Fear is something biochemical problem in our body. For example, when you go in the road, you saw a snake. At that time, what will happen? You fastly run away from there. In that fear, your body will suffer. All the problem happens emotionally. Your heartbeat will fast and BP will be high. Breathing rates increases. Somewhere at that time, adrenal gland produce emergency hormone. It gives immediate power to run at that time, but it stops other functions like digestion and it complete focus to escape. When we are not happy or angry, this hormone segregates frequently. So this is bad hormone. Segregates frequently, which damages our health. There are 4 types of fear. Fear of failure, fear of success, fear of others' opinion, fear of unknown. Fear of failure. This fear we can see in students. They'll study everything, and when they go for examination, they'll be very tense. How will be the question paper? Like that, they'll be, until they start the exam, they'll be having this fear. Fear of success. This fear of success we can see when students they get their CET result. At that time they'll be having success, but they'll be having fear. Fear of other opinion. We'll buy a new dress and just will wear and we'll show in our house whether this good dress is good or not. Like that will depend on others. Fear of unknown. 2 years before, we had both solar and lunar eclipse in a month. At that time, just we all are thinking something is going to happen bad, like that, like some natural calamities like tsunami or earthquake, something like that. But because of the way we are thinking something is going to happen bad only happened. What is that means? This coronavirus, it entered our earth. So many people are very scared of this coronavirus. Many countries are suffering from this fear, but some countries they came out of this fear also. 80% of the people are safe. Only 20% are suffering from this. But just believe me, even in 20%, 10% they have safe at home, means they have discharged from the hospital. Only 10% are suffering. These media people, they are creating big issue and scaring the people. Everybody born in this earth, they must die on one day. Like this coronavirus also will disappear and it will vanish. We must have some patience, then only it will disappear. So to disappear, like solution for this COVID, what is the solution means? We must avoid getting outside, because this virus spreads through air. We must sit at home. We must sit at home only. So government declare this lockdown. But people, they won't realize, just simply they want to roam and they want to spread in the community. Please don't do all these things. And any person, like if they want to bring groceries or this thing, vegetables, let them go one person outside. Let them bring. After bringing, sanitize your shoe, sanitize your hands, go to bathroom, take bath and come. Our Maharishi said, if humanity does not mend its way, the universal might will teach a lesson. Maharishi was knowing in future something is going to happen. So this quotation Maharishi has given. That is what happening today. By destroying the environment, we are suffering by this COVID. Like we polluted water, air, water, air, everything we have polluted, environment also. But now this environment is getting calm, but only human beings are suffering. There's a poem in English written by Herbert. The name of the poem is The Gift of the God. Just I wanted to share this poem with you. When God at first made man, having a glass of blessings, standing by, let us pour on him all we can. Let the world riches, which dispread lie, contract into a span. So strength first made a way, then beauty flowed, the wisdom, honor, pleasure. When almost all was out, God made a stay, perceiving that alone of all his treasure. Rest in the bottom lay. For if I should bestow this jewel also on my creature, he would adore my gift instead of me, and rest in nature, not the God of nature. So both should be looser. Yet let him keep the rest, but keep them with ripening and restlessness. Let him be rich and weary, at the least. If goodness lead him, not yet weariness, may toss him to my breast. If goodness lead him, not yet weariness, may toss him to my breast. It means, just I'll tell the summary of this form. When God has created this nature, just he saw all the nature, he created the nature, birds, animals, everything he has done. Just to enjoy all these things, he created a human being, he created man. At that time, when he created, he had a glass full of blessings in his hand. He poured all the comforts on man and everything on man, because God's most beautiful creature is man. So compared to all the animals and all, we human beings, we look so beautiful. God only made us. God only gave all this beauty for us. But at first, he poured strength. First, God, he had given strength for us. This strength may be mentally, physically, and spiritually. If we get any, if we want to face any situation, first we must have strength, right? So God has given strength. Then he put beauty, wisdom, honor. Honor is self-respect and pleasure also. When everything he poured, he noticed all the treasure he poured, but rest means peace of mind. He wanted to pour that peace of mind also to man, but he stopped. He was thinking for a while, if I pour this gift also, he may forget me. So he didn't pour peace of mind on human. I pour all the wealth on him. He may forget me. If he forget me, if he forget me when he isn't happy, definitely he's going to forget me. At least when he is in trouble, at that time, let him come back to me. I will hug him. Like that, God didn't give peace of mind for man. So for present situation, we all want peace of mind, right? This is what happening today situation. We must leave all our vengeance. People are going for meditation and puja part, everything, because of this thing, uh, because of fear. They want to overcome from that fear. So how to avoid fear? Problems are part of our life. We have to face it happily. If we want to avoid problems, we can avoid our worries. So help others. We have to help others. Our Maharishi only says, whatever you're earning, in that 1% you have to do, you have to help like that. Money you have to spend. And I have seen a video in Gujarat, an old person, nearly he's 65, 70 years old. He was affected by this coronavirus. When he discharged from the hospital and he came, whatever the wealth he had nearly crores of amount. Everything he distributed among the villagers. He's calling the ladies, children, and all, and he was giving the money. People, they have to in this pandemic, at least they have to be generous to help each other. We must read good books. Don't watch TV or newspaper. At least once you can watch, but constantly you're not supposed to watch, because what happens, this media people showing like this happen, like that happen, like that. Take quality food. So we have to take a quality food. Sleep is very important. Be strong. We have to sleep nicely and we have to be strong and we must take good rest. If anybody is taking alcohol, they have to stop the alcohol, because if you take alcohol, you're going to lose your immunity. Be good for yourself. So, you love yourself. Do whatever you like at home, but don't cause any physical or mental trouble to your family members. You got an opportunity to spend time with your family. If you're working, if you're working at home, sincerely you do your office work and try to get promotion in your work. At least so many people in this world, they're not having any job. They left their job because of this fear only, and they went for their hometown. So you got an opportunity to sit at home to work, and you're supporting your family, you're earning some money, isn't it? So concentrate in your work. And maintain good routine. This is lockdown time, so like people will get up very late, around 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, like that. It is not good. Be active and do all your routine work properly. Take time out for your activities you enjoy. What happened, like everybody, we got an opportunity to show our talent. So during this time, moms, they can prepare delicious and healthy food, nutritious food, and they can give their kids, right? All these years, kids used to go for school, like whatever the breakfast we're preparing, that cold they used to have. Now at least hot from past 1.5 years they can have. And most of the places online classes have started. Parents, fastly you finish your work. If you have time, in lockdown period, you can guide your kids in their online classes. Take some good topic, do discussion, you all enjoy this. And get out in nature. Keep yourself busy in nature. If you have a place, you can do your own garden. If you don't have, also whatever the places you are having, you can do your like pots and all. In this, you may thinking how I'll do pots and I'll put my saplings, like that. Don't worry. If you have any old boxes and all, cut that boxes and make your own pots. Because when you mingle with nature, especially with mud, plant and all, by the smell of that mud, all your stress will go off and you'll be fresh also. Avoid self medicating. Small things, no need of going to doctor. So, like for present situation, avoid all this medicating. Take doctor advice and just do as what they say. If you have cold body, daily take kashai. Kashai is very good for health. And weekly once, you just take Amritaballi kashai also. Stop relaxing practice. Lockdown period, getting up late and always relaxing is not good. So better stop all these things. There's a proverb in English: empty mind is like a devil workshop. So we are not supposed to keep our mind empty. Half of our life will spend in sleeping only. So 8 hours sleep is enough. Keep yourself busy at home. Like to be healthy, we must be active. So, like in our body, 19,012 kilometers blood will travel in our body. In such a small body, how much work it is doing? We as a humans, what we are doing? Just we are using remote and like depending on machines for to complete our work. So, as much as possible, just try to do your work by your hand only. Keep in touch with friends. This is also very important. Sitting at home, you'll be bored, you'll be panicked, you what to do, like that. So after finishing all your work, just do a phone call to your friends or do a video call. You'll enjoy, and whatever the happiness we're getting from friends, like our mood also will be changed. Find way to exercise. So to be fit, what must we do? We have to exercise daily. Exercise release chemicals in our brain, like serotonin and endorphins, which are great for our mood. It can also lead to better sleep and give you more energy. Physical movement can help easy tightening in our shoulders and neck, which often come with the stress and anxiety. It also make you feel like you achieved something. Regular exercise can help reduce your risk and serious health issues like diabetes, heart disease, and stroke. Regular physical activities is great for your immune system also. See friends, our sky exercise is very simple to see, but it is very effective. So like we are having asanas, pranayama, mudra, and warm up exercise. All these things, it is very good. You'll be wonder how. See, our Maharishi has given mudras, like he had given mudras in breathing, like asanas he has given, like Vajrasana, um, like he had given Vajrasana and yes, he has given Vajrasana in sitting posture. We are going to do all this Vajrasana and Makarasana also. In sleeping exercise, we are going to do Makarasana. Like he had given eye exercise in Ashtanga, they will tell this as Prataka. And by doing Kaya Kalpa, we are getting energized. Like we are looking more beautiful in our Maharishi. Maharishi added Saundarya Yoga also in Kaya Kalpa. How means when we're doing this Kaya Kalpa, we are touching the upper palate. By touching the upper palate, it's the tips of Saundarya Yoga, like will become more beautiful. And when we shower our the vital fluid through ojas, like we'll be energized and we'll be like kids whole day will be energized. So in Ashwini Mudra, when we do Ashwini Mudra, 72,000 nerves will get exercise. We cannot take one nerves and do the exercise. So all the 72,000 nerves also will get exercise in one Kaya Kalpa. So why we should miss such a beautiful exercise? In our sky system, we are doing pranayama, standing exercise, sitting exercise, nadi shuddhi, kapalabhati, like it's a lungs exercise. Also pranayama also we are doing. Neuromuscular exercise also we are doing. First, I must apologize because in my last class I said Maharishi has given only 3 mudras, but it is not correct. When I was thinking deeply about the exercise, I came to know my mistake. Maharishi gave lot of mudras for us, like Anjali Mudra, Pancha Mudra in standing exercise will do, Adi Mudra, Chin Mudra, Buddha Mudra, Nasika Mudra, Suji Mudra. Like that, so many mudras also. So many mudras are there. And we must think why Maharishi gave Suji Mudra in this 14 points. In 14, when we're doing 14 points, like if we have any blockages there, the blockages will be open through Suji Mudra. Suji means it's a needle. So this mudra is sharp like a needle. So Maharshi gave this mudra in 14 points. We'll do Shavasana also. It's nothing but relaxation. After doing all this exercise, like relaxation is very important. So when we're doing all these things, like our body will be energized. So like we are taking care of our health also. Our Guruji is a great scholar. So, so he added everything in sky exercise. In other yoga, we won't get so many benefits. So what happened like if we do exercise properly, a body will get energized, immunity, and you will get more immunity in the body. So don't scare of this COVID. This World Community Service Center has started online classes also. So like we got an opportunity and advantage as to inform that after we can inform our friends, family members, everybody to switch on for this online classes. When we do Nadi Shuddhi, clearance, Kaya Kalpa Yoga, neuromuscular breathing, Kapalabhati, Nityananda meditation, and nine center meditation, mirror gazing, and auto suggestion, just believe we won't get this coronavirus. And thank you. I thank all the organizers who had given me the opportunity to share my ideas, and want to thank all the participants here for the valuable time you have taken. Thank you very much. Valga Valamudan.
Be blessed by the divine.
Be blessed by the divine.
Thank you very much for your valuable, meaningful speech, madam. Be blessed by the divine. Once again, thanks to you.
Yeah.
வாழ்க வையகம், வாழ்க வையகம், வாழ்க வளமுடன். அம்மாவிடம் கேள்வி கேட்கும் அன்பர்கள் ஹேண்ட் ரைஸ் பட்டனை ரைஸ் பண்ணி கேள்வி கேட்கலாங்க. அதற்கு முன்பாக இன்று மற்றும் நாளைய நிகழ்ச்சிகள் பற்றிய ஒரு அறிவிப்பு. இன்று மாலை கன்னட மொழியிலே 4:15 மணிக்கு பஞ்சேந்திர தவம் இயற்ற இருக்கின்றோம். 4:45 மணிக்கு உலக அமைதிக்காக 108 முறை வாழ்த்து இருக்கின்றோம். 4:55 மணிக்கு ஸ்பீச் இன் கன்னடா. ஸ்ரீமதி மகாதேவம்மா அவர்கள் பேச இருக்கிறாங்க. எடுத்துக்கொண்ட தலைப்பு ஸ்ரீ குரு வச்சனದಿಂದ அதிக சுதேயுத்தே என்ற தலைப்பிலே பேச இருக்கிறார்கள். நாளைய நிகழ்ச்சிகள் அனைவரும் இணைந்து அதில் பயன்பெறுவோம். நாளைய நிகழ்ச்சிகள் நாளை மதியம் 2 மணிக்கு தவம். அதை அடுத்து ஸ்கைப் ப்ரொஃபஸர் அசிஸ்டன்ட் ப்ரொஃபஸர் கலாவதி பி அவர்கள் 6ஆம் அறிவின் சிறப்பு என்ற தலைப்பிலே பேசியிருக்கிறார்கள். 4:15 மணிக்கு கன்னட மொழியிலே தவம். அதை அடுத்து ஸ்கைப் ப்ரொஃபஸர் சிவகாமேஸ்வரி அவர்கள் நமஸ்காரா என்ற தலைப்பிலே பேசியிருக்கிறார்கள். அனைவரும் இணைந்து பயன்பெறுவோம். அம்மாவிடம் கேள்வி கேட்கும் அன்பர்கள் ரைஸ் ஆன் பட்டனை ரைஸ் பண்ணி கேட்கலாங்க. வாழ்க வளமுடன்.
Yes, ma'am, you can ask the question.
Madam, nobody is raising their hands. Shall we conclude?
Yeah, sir.
Yeah. வாழ்க வையகம், வாழ்க வையகம், வாழ்க வளமுடன். இன்று ஃபியர் என்ற தலைப்பிலே ஒரு நல்ல சிந்தனையை நமக்கு அளித்த ரக்ஷிதா ஆர் கினி அவர்களை வாழ்த்தும் நேரம். அனைவரும் துரிய நிலைக்கு வரவும். ரக்ஷிதா ஆர் கினி அவர்கள் வாழ்க வளமுடன். அவர்களின் தொண்டு வாழ்க வளமுடன். அவர்களின் உடல் நலம் வாழ்க வளமுடன். அவர்களின் அன்பு குடும்பம் வாழ்க வளமுடன். கர்நாடக மாநிலத்தில் உள்ள அனைத்து ஸ்கை அறக்கட்டளைகள் வாழ்க வளமுடன். அதில் தொண்டாற்றும் அனைத்து அன்பர்களும் வாழ்க வளமுடன். இந்த வாய்ப்பை நமக்கு அளித்த கர்நாடக மாநில உலக சமுதாய சேவா சங்கத்தின் தலைவர் அருள்நிதி திரு டாக்டர் கணபதி ஐயா அவர்கள் வாழ்க வளமுடன். கர்நாடக மாநில உலக சமுதாய சேவா சங்கத்தின் ஸ்மார்ட் துணைத் தலைவர் அருள்நிதி திருமதி டாக்டர் விஜயா கணபதி அவர்கள் வாழ்க வளமுடன். வாழ்க வையகம், வாழ்க வையகம், வாழ்க வளமுடன். இந்த ஆத்ம சங்கமா நிகழ்ச்சியில் இணைந்தார் அனைவருக்கும் அருட்பேர் ஆற்றிய கருணையினால் உடல் நலம், நீளாயுள், நிறை செல்வம், உயர்ப்புகள், ஞானம் ஓங்கி வாழ வாழ்த்தி இந்த நிகழ்ச்சியை முடிவுக்கு கொண்டு வருகின்றோம். இப்போது உலக நல வாழ்த்து.
உலகமெல்லாம் பருவமழை ஒத்தபடி பெய்யட்டும். உழவரெல்லாம் தானியத்தை உவப்புடனே பெருக்கட்டும். பல தொழில்கள் புரிகின்ற பாட்டாளி உயரட்டும். பகுத்துணர்வில் தொகுத்துணர்வு பண்பாட்டை உயர்த்தட்டும். கலகங்கள் போட்டி பகை கடந்தாட்சி நடக்கட்டும். கல்லாமை கடன் வறுமை களங்கங்கள் மறையட்டும். நலவாழ்வை அளிக்கும் ஞான ஒளி வீசட்டும். நம் கடமை அறவாழ்வின் நாட்டத்தே சிறக்கட்டும். நம் கடமை அறவாழ்வின் நாட்டத்தே சிறக்கட்டும். நம் கடமை அறவாழ்வின் நாட்டத்தே சிறக்கட்டும். வாழ்க வையகம், வாழ்க வையகம், வாழ்க வளமுடன்.